Wind Rider. BD5 70 mil. Okay.
Maiden Flight.
All right. Let's do this. Well, it's not the Hobby King BD5. Nice recovery though. Yes, man, trim it, just trim it. But trim it coming into the window if you can. It's kind of hard because it's coming from the power lines, but yeah, it looks like it's... Is it banking to the left a little bit? Okay. Let me know if you need any trim. You good? Okay. Whoa.
I want this on 6S.
That would scream on 6S. Why not try the free wing motor in it? Watch the lines. Huh? Oh, gotcha. Thing moves nice. And that's 4S?
Yeah.
Dude, for 4S? That moves nice. What are you talking about? Come on, Daniel. For 4S, that's decent, dude.
I know, it is. I'm not gonna lie. I might just leave it like
Yeah, 4S.
just mess around with
Yeah,
it.
exactly. You got a 4S jet, at least you can use your 4S packs.
Yeah.
Dude, I wouldn't do nothing. I'd leave it just the way it is. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, battery, dude. Landed.
It's a 3,000 milliamp, so that's pretty good.
3,000 milliamp?
3,200, yeah.
Okay. Did you check the stall on it? Okay. Should just come from the heli pit. Ah, you're fine. Back pressure, back pressure.
Oh, no! What the hell?
Front pressure, front pressure. You had it. You had it, man. You had it.
Perfect.